Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change TikTok to business account. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First we need to go to TikTok. After that we need to go to our profile. Here click on these three lines and click settings and privacy. Here click account and after that click switch to business account. Click next, 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 continue. Here we can choose a category, click next, and here you need to enter your email address. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.